It's Chevy or Felix, and I got a new 20s motorcycle. There's
Got a whole 3 horsepower.
It can go like 50 or 60 miles an hour though, and get 150 miles a gallon.
Here's the test.
And has a built-in charger, cup holder, phone holder, key holder.
Me holder.
Has a bed, a basket. The motor is like 80 cc's. You know what? This thing's pretty much brand new. I got it for Christmas. It looks pretty old though. And then I ordered a retro-looking headlight to go right there. That's chrome and black and stuff. I also ordered a vintage-looking mirror, and yeah. The chain kind of exploded on the back, which should be coming Friday at 8 p.m.
That's so specific. It's supposed to be coming Friday at 8 p.m.
That's what Amazon says.
That's cool though.
It's a
I love how they can be specific about it like that now.
yeah.
It's like, I know exactly when my package is going to arrive, and if it doesn't, I get to yell at the UPS guy.
Yeah, this thing, the bike costs $120, and the motor also costs like, I think, $120, so it's pretty cheap for getting that good of gas mileage and going that fast. So, oh, I put this built-in charger right here. Cut out a piece of wood from my desk.
This looks so wrong.
Put some trim on it, and then you can't really tell, but that's a washer to cover up all the ugliness under this charger. It's just a old phone battery pack thing. I put in a screw right there under the washer, screw right there, and then I stuck this thing in here, and then put a hose clamp right there to clamp this thing down. It's really stable. Yeah, and then he's over here cleaning his bike. Hey, Fox.
No!
What happened?
Chrome's peeling.
Oh, shoot.
Oh! Well, it's time to get a chroming kit.
Dang, that sucks. I can see it better in the camera than I can in real life.
I don't think our eyes are as good as our camera is. Like, I need glasses, so.
This is a Galaxy S7. It has, like, surprisingly a 4K camera. It can tape in 4K.
That phone. See, iPhone users, this is why iPhones suck. You're only just getting to this level.
Yeah, iPhone's always been like 5 years behind Samsung, even though they started making phones first. But sucks for you guys.
Yeah, because lucky for you, we don't care.
That's pretty much all. And I can be speeding down the road, beating mopeds on this, making them jealous. Paid like $1,000 for a moped, paid like $120 for this, $240.
He loves that thing.
What?
The video I posted of that thing, the little video that I had, he was like, that makes me want to get mine back out.
What type of bike does he have?
It's like a mountain bike, but instead of having a spring, it has a motor.
A spring?
Yeah, instead of having like a spring for, like under the seat, it's just like straight there and there's a motor under it.
Oh. Yeah, the seat has suspension. This bike is probably the most comfortable bike I've ridden on. Seat's super cushiony too. The fuel I have off right now because the chain kind of exploded on this side. I can still pedal it though. It weighs like 100 pounds, so it's once you get going, you don't really have to pedal because all that weight. But getting started is really hard. But it looks good doing it.
It's the most comfortable bike ever.
I know.
Like you sit on this, you're like, okay. You sit on that, you're like.
There's a jelly roll. Jelly roll. Hey, Foxy. Are you a jelly roll? Yeah, you're a big jelly roll. Yeah, this thing normally takes like 3 hours to put together. It took me 5 because I lost the directions.
I did not have sexual relations with that bicycle.
I kind of did. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
That means that bicycle's a whore. I mean, I did not do that.
We were gonna stick this bell on this bike, but I'm gonna go over here and show you why we couldn't.
Oh yeah, it's a bell by bell, by the way.
Yeah, it's a belt by bell. Look at all that stuff in the way where the bell would go.
It makes the tire look all metallic.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, I hope we don't get sued for this music. What
Wait,
music?
I have Metallica on in my videos all the time. You're fine.
Oh, whatever.
Like they'll say, oh, you know, you're not in trouble because there's no ads.
Yeah.
So see, it looks kind of metallic. Dude, that looks so good on camera. Oh, it's all warm. It's nice. It's not warm outside right now.
This thing has like a QHD LED screen. It's like displays pure black. It has a 4K screen. I love this thing.
I mean, for somebody who's a tube freak, I have to say I'm impressed with it. Like, I can't lie about that one.
Yeah, I lost this phone for a while. I didn't realize I stuck it in my backpack, and my mom said when I found this phone, because she was mad at me because she paid like $800 for it, or $600. I'm thinking of her new phone. She said she was gonna sell it and buy me some Samsung Galaxy J3. So I convinced her to let me keep it. I just said like I didn't really lose it because I did lose it, but it was my backpack. It wasn't really in a not dirty place. What am I talking? In a not safe place for a phone.
Look, I did not. That's not mine. That's the dog. That doesn't make any sense, does it?
Did you clean that part?
Yep.
That looks really shiny. You got this really nice seat. Like, it's pretty comfortable too.
For a stunt bike, I'd say it's as comfortable as you'll get without putting a beach cruiser seat on it.
Yeah.
Trade?
I saw this one. We both saw this one really ugly seat. It was shaped kind of like this.
Yeah, it was like a beach cruiser seat without the crotch.
Yeah, you just cut this part off. It was the ugliest thing ever. What's wrong,
Probably
Trixie?
comfortable. It's just
Yeah. What's wrong, Trix? What's wrong, my cutie? What's wrong, Munchkin?
bad. I'm sure my subscribers want to know about my movies.
Yeah, probably.
I mean, if I was PewDiePie, they probably would. They'd be like, oh my god, PewDiePie, like, oh.
Is he the most popular YouTuber yet?
He already was. He's been for like forever.
Oh, seriously? I thought it was still oh, I was thinking Jacksepticeye. What was I thinking?
PewDiePie, he's been the best for like forever.
I've watched a couple of his videos. He's kind of funny, but not really the stuff I'm into.
Yeah, like, I've watched his videos, like, I have to be in the mood for stuff like that.
Yeah.
But he is funny. I forget how many subscribers. I'm pretty sure he has like 30-something million.
Oh, shoot.
He's got enough.
Dang.
Look how nice this room looks after the armor all.
30 million. Want to trade him? That looks really nice.
Yeah, I need some touch-up paint for like right there and stuff like that. But other than that, this is my favorite design of rim. Like, I'm not ever taking these off.
Yeah.
Except when we're going to Porter Creek. Because I'm going to put an off-road tire on the back.
Also, we're about to meet up with a couple of our friends on probably Saturday. We would like today or tomorrow or something, but I don't want to ride a 100-pound bike like 20 miles to downtown Summerlin without the motor. So, yeah, it's coming, like I said, tomorrow at 8. So, we're going to go on Saturday. Meet up with Caleb and Bradley. And then we're going to meet up with some of my old friends too, Bryce and Dalen.
Two of the nicest people you will ever meet.
Yeah.
Probably like far. They're like so nice.
We stuck. This reminds me, like our